Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can make your image or photo black and white really quickly in Photopea. So let's get started. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to make that image, that photo here depicting a beautiful red little bird, black and white. And this is how you can do it. First guys, select your image or the layer. Here on the layer list to the right, you would like to apply the black and white effect to. And after that, click on image here at the top menu. Select adjustments from the drop-down menu, and from the following drop-down menu, select black and white. And that's actually all to it. Now you can play around with the sliders here to find your best setup, your best black and white setup. For example, add more of a yellow or a green or a cyan or a magenta tone to your image or photo. That's totally up to you. And once you're content with your setup, just simply click on OK here. Alternatively, guys, you may colorize your black and white photo and apply a custom color. Like, for instance, if I click on that color icon or rectangle here, I will be given access to that color palette here. So if I select, just for demonstration purposes, red as my main color, that black and white photo will be given a somehow reddish tone, as you can see. So you can play around with that also. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.